Good morning. Today on the bench we have this Aiwa player. This one is HS PX410. Oh, this one is kind of nice. It has Dolby C noise reduction for those who are listening tapes recorded in Dolby C. What do we have right here? More. It's a bit some dust there is, but it is used device, so it's kind of normal. Yeah. So first of all, as always, let's test the device. Actually, this one is, I think, one of the latest Aiwa devices. Later release. Oh well. Maybe it is electrolyte. Let's hope that it is. Or in any case, let's have it clean. Yeah, it looks like it is electrolyte. Maybe let's not use battery cartridge. Let's clean it. And let's just use DC power. Okay. Let's put in some cassette and we will see. Okay. Okay. Do we have any sound? No, we don't. No, nothing is changing. But mechanical part is working, so this is also not bad news, you know, because when you get the device and it is totally dead, it doesn't show any signs of life when you put in some power for it, it's not very nice. Okay, so let's then repair this device. Let's start. Okay, this part is kind of clean. But right here, leakage, lots of leakage. Okay. So let's remove the board. Wow, it smells. It smells very bad. Okay, so to remove the board we have to unscrew 4 screws also. Okay, so the board is out. Now regarding the belt, oh, it is stretched a lot, so we will replace it. Just look at that. Anyway, mechanical part looks not so bad. Yeah, we'll get back to it later. So you can see yourselves, yeah, lots of corrosion and all of the caps are leaked. Okay, so let's not waste our time, and what I can mention instantly, yeah, we have 2 chips for Dolby noise reduction, because on the P505 or PX410, as I remember, I had a few of those to repair. There is only 1 Dolby chip. So that is the only, I think, difference, because preamplifier and amplifier chip is the same, maybe. Yeah, it's the same as P505 MK2 or MK1. Also P202 MK2, MK3 uses the same chip. So okay, so let's remove all of those nasty caps and let's change them. Okay, so let's start removing those bad capacitors then. And what I'd like to mention, those 4 caps are 4 volt, 2 volt 100s, and they are very tiny. Let's hope that our 4 volt 100s will fit right here. Okay, so let's remove all of those and let's put in new here. Okay, so strangely these 2 volt 100s are not leaked, but we are not gonna use them, definitely, because they are so old that in any time they can do this or that. And the ulna cap is still fine, still not leaky. Nichicon's leaked. all of those 2V 100s are not leaked, so it's very interesting that. And those two surface mount caps are gone, actually. Yeah, let's remove them. No hot air, guys. No, absolutely not. Never for the capacitors hot air. You will not see on my channel. Yeah, look at that stuff. So, and I was wondering why it is not playing. Okay, so let's clean all that mess and solder new caps in. Smells very bad. Terrible, actually. Okay, so right now let's then prepare all necessary capacitors. Okay, so I have prepared required capacitors. Regarding those 2V 100s, though, I'm gonna use those 4V 100 Nichicon. And there is gonna be a bit strict, but somehow maybe we'll manage to put them all in that place. Yeah, maybe let's put back this potentiometer wheel, because we will see what kind of tolerances do we have. Good. So let's do this. Let's start then from those. I'm going to use surface mount capacitors for this, because that's what I have right now. They all are high quality caps. That's why I'm using them. Okay, so we have a space, so we can go with this like that, and then all of those fits quite nicely. Good. Let's put some deoxit for the buttons and switches. And as you remember, those buttons sometimes gives problems. So let's check them. Okay, so first one, good one, and second one also nice. So we finished with the PCB. Right now let's proceed with tape transport. Okay, so regarding tape transport, we have to change the belt because it is bad, and very smart will be to oil this upper motor bearing. Actually, those are spinning fine, but just for preventive maintenance, let's remove them and oil them. Okay, so tape head looks actually quite nice. Not bad at all. What about pinch rollers? Still gummy, nice ones. Okay, so let's oil those capstans and also this gear. right now we will put in the new belt. Just like that, and let's clean and demagnetize the head, and then we will start to assemble the device a bit. Okay, so right now let's put mainboard back into the unit. Look at those parts carefully, they should be between the posts. Let's put back PCB screws. Let's best at this part. We can a bit test device. Works just fine. Okay, let's clean a bit those pinch rollers. And right now we can put in cassette and try it. The device works just fine. Okay, so let's proceed. What is sad about this unit that you cannot adjust the head azimuth. Okay, so this is fine also. What we can do actually right now, let's set the tape speed. And let's start. Actually, it's almost spot on, you know. We can adjust a bit. Okay, so speed potentiometer is right here. I think let's do it like something like this maybe. Yeah, I think this would be fine. And also, wow, and flutter is in the range for this device. So let's continue. Okay, so I have tested azimuth, and it is not perfect, but since this head is not adjustable, in the service manual they are mentioning to adjust the head, but as I can see, there is no spring, so there will be absolutely no tilt adjusting. And also I have tried to screw it up and down, but nothing is changing. Yeah, so head is stationary and it is what it is, but it's not terrible, it's just not perfect. And right now maybe let's check Dolby levels, because this thing we can do. Let me just grab the cassette required. Yeah. Let's put in Dolby cassette and let's check what do we have. Okay, so normal, off, okay. Okay, so for testing, ground is right here. Then what do we have? We have left channel Dolby out here and right channel is right here. So we just have to test those points. Okay, so let's start the cassette and let's see. So at first it will be left channel. Nice. This is also okay. Other direction. Come on. It's okay. It is not adjustable. We cannot do the fine tuning, but it is what it is, and it is in range regarding the service manual. And I think let's just put the device all together. Let's assemble it fully, and this is gonna be it. And we will check also, as always, with some music in the end. So hold was on, now off, normal. Good. Mechanics is very quiet. Also Let's do one more thing. Let's demagnetize the heads. As always, don't touch the head, but let's move it around, just like that. That's it. Good. This coffee, actually a cup of espresso, I have made for myself in the morning, and it is right now like 11 o'clock, so cheers, guys. Yeah, cold espresso. What can you do? Okay, let's put in cassette. Okay. Works in both directions. This is that sound clicking is from the tape, not from the tape transport. Because if, for example, I would put in something like this tape, for example, yeah, absolutely quiet. Yeah. Let's put. Okay, so let's do final test of this device. Let's put in cassette and let's crank up some volume. So you can hear it is perfectly fine. Also fast forward and rewind also works fine. Okay, so this is it for this nice Aiwa HS PX410. This is very nice unit. So I hope you liked the video. Like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.